1 million, still pretty good. Not as good, but.
Right? You're like, so close. So close, right? We get you outside. We are tracking a lot for the East Coast today. There's rainfall north of us, snowfall even further north. We get into Pennsylvania and New York, kind of a mess of a system that will pull a front through the area later today, continuing to bring us the possibility of some scattered showers. Could even get an isolated storm later this afternoon. Outside early this morning, we've got cloudy skies, pockets of wet weather. Zooming in a little bit closer and flipping over to early warning Doppler 9 HD, you can see some broken showers up through Eustis near the Villages, a little bit steadier rainfall areas from Ocala towards the north into Gainesville. Most of this is going to be a light to steady rainfall to begin the day, and our northern tier is definitely going to hold a slightly better chance for that rainfall between now and about lunchtime. Then you can see you get a little bit of sunshine, at least pockets of sunshine with the mid and upper 70s, but a cloudy start to the day, some scattered light showers. We take you down into Cocoa Beach, again, one of our southern spots. We'll actually see some pockets of sunshine early in the morning. Midday is when we'll get that better chance for some scattered showers and isolated storms. And again, timing it out with some of that daytime heating as we get closer to the lunch hour and beyond. But I am going to be updating Severe Weather Center 9 Future Track. We'll go hour by hour through that coming up. 6:10 is now our time. Here's Alexa.
A big winter storm is moving across the country this morning and should hit the Northeast later today.
Right. This is a live shot from one of our Earth cams. This is in Pittsburgh, where a winter weather advisory is in place currently for the area. But this storm has already hit the Midwest very hard. Take a look at these conditions in St. Louis, where some areas got 8 inches of snow yesterday. That caused gridlock, as you can imagine, on the roads as people tried to get home from work. And you could see some of the storm reports that we've been watching, again, from the Midwest, Nebraska, Kansas, through Iowa and Missouri. Lots of snowfall happening, getting some of that wintry mix now as we get closer towards West Virginia and Virginia, where the winter weather advisory, again, locked in place. We mentioned it closer towards Pittsburgh, but you can see extending all the way from Maine back to Indiana, portions of Kentucky, some of the higher elevations in Virginia and North Carolina due to this storm system. Again, snowfall mixing back towards rain as we head towards the south. And this rainfall in South Carolina, North Carolina, Georgia, it is a cold rain as temperatures are sitting in the upper 30s in a lot of those communities. Now here closer to home, things start to get a little bit more active, but what we're going to be watching is this front that will eventually move through the area later today, and that'll bring about some cooler weather. But between now and then, we'll have some scattered showers to track. You can see some near Seminole up into Lake Marion County. You can see that continuing through the first part of the day. As we get closer to 9 o'clock, mostly cloudy, a few light sprinkles, but then through the midday hours is when we'll bring back kind of that resurgence of moisture as that front gets closer. Scattered showers, isolated thunderstorm can't be ruled out because we will get a little bit of heating still. We've got temperatures upper 70s and low 80s later this afternoon, but you can see in Orlando with those overcast skies, isolated showers possible. That'll be the case as well in Daytona. A lot of cloud cover with a few passing showers. Now highs today, upper 70s and low 80s, but once this front moves on through, the rain will clear out of the area by tonight, and then we get cooler. Come tomorrow, we've got daytime highs in the 60s and the 70s. We'll peak only at 69 tomorrow in Ocala, 69 in Daytona, and 72 in Orlando and Sanford. And overnight Wednesday into Thursday, that'll be our coldest overnight stretch. So come Thursday morning, you may need the jackets again, as we'll be out the door to 40s and low 50s. Here in Orlando, we'll wake up to about 52 degrees, highs in the mid 70s with lots of sunshine on Thursday, and then 80s. They're back by Friday afternoon. 6:20 is now our time. We'll get a check of the roads with Alexa.